Hello everyone, my name is Prabhanshu Chaudhary and I have 9.5 years of experience in Android development. Today we are going to download the latest Android Studio. So we are going to the Android Studio download for the Windows, and we have to click on the first link that are going to the Android development uh, official site. So we have to click on that and the studio that this is the latest. We need to click on the agreement and download the Android Studio. I already downloaded, so I just cancel it and click on that. It will take some time to verify all the things. It will take some time to install all the files. It's completed, so you have to click on next and the finish. So it will start the latest Android Studio that we are recently download and install it. Yeah, it's for the ladybug feature top. It's a latest Android Studio. Don't send it, or you have to like send the usage static to the Google. You just click on the send usage. Right now I'm going for the don't send. In that Android Studio you have to configure with the new UI, the system light, dark, whatever you need, and the finish the setup. Please follow all the steps that you have saw in this video to install and download and install your Android Studio. And in the next video we are going to develop a clone app for the Zapto application. Thank you.